Okay. Now addition is over. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Is it correct?
Similarly,
Yes,
you can
sir.
go for subtraction, but there will be problem in multiplication. Okay. And you know the rule how to multiply.
Yes, sir.
3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm giving the address and data also. Is visible? 2 by 2
No, sir.
matrix.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. A and B. A11, A12, A21, and A22. It's clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we have to multiply it. What is the rule? Tell. A11 with. What is the rule? A11 with.
B11.
B11 into B11 plus. Tell.
B12 with B21.
A12 and B21.
A11 with B11 fine.
1.
A12 with B21.
A B21.
Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
What is the next value in the row case? A11
2.
into.
A2.
I am talking about this.
Oh,
I'm talking about this one.
A12. So B12.
B1
2.
2 into plus A22 into B22. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next. A21 into
B11.
Is it correct? No.
So B21 होगा ना? So A22 into B21. I think.
It's not correct. Check. It's okay. Tell something.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
It's
sir.
correct.
It's okay. What is the next line?
Sir, A21 into B12 plus A22 into
A21 into
B12.
B12 plus A22 into B22. Is it? It's clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, if I put the data, what is A11? 1
1.
into B11? 1.
2.
You just first note it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Sir, it's not visible.
Upper one, 1, 2, 3, 4 with address. Circle one is address and below one is the value. Visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Matrix A 1, 2, 3, 4. Matrix B 1, 2, 3, 4. I am talking about the value. Okay. Now, if I replace it with these addresses, then what then? 1, 1 plus 1, 2. B2, 1, 3, 8, 2, 1, 3 into B1, 1, 1 plus 8 to 2, 4 into B2, 1, 3. Is it correct? First part. If I substitute the value in the address,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
yes. The next part is A111 into B122 plus A224 into B224. Then A2113 into B12.
Good.
1 plus 4 into now it's okay. Yeah, I may be wrong also.
Sir,
3 into 2.
It's correct, no?
the first row, second
Last
column, 2 into 4. I think.
First row, second column.
1 into 2 plus 2 into 4.
1, 2, 1 to 2 plus 2,
2 into 4.
4 into
4.
Achha. 2, 1 and 2, 2. Okay, 2, 1. 8, 2, 1 equal to 2. Okay. Now equal to 1 plus 6, 3 plus 12, 2 plus 8, 3 plus 16. This is the value?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then I am giving this so that the logic you have to pick up. How to find the logic, okay? This is not the required because you people know how to solve. Isn't it? You people know how to solve this matrix. So I am
Yes,
giving this so that you can understand the logic. Okay?
A2 or B2.
Now logic is
The second row, second column is 6, 6. I think.
6 plus 16, sir.
anything problem?
So
The second row, second column. The
Second
second row,
row,
second column.
it should be
6 plus 16.
6 plus 16. The 3 into 2.
just with 1, 2.